Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I had a request here from one of my subscribers, and I actually think they were my 300th subscriber, 300 straight up, so that's pretty awesome. The request says, please look into and make a video on GTEH GenTech. They just announced record revenue with their recent acquisition of SINFIT and their coffee subscription service, Secret Javas. Sounds kind of interesting. They have products that infuses coffee with the C word that comes from MJ. I'm not going to say it, so if I come across it here again, I'll point it out. But this is GenTech Holdings. Sorry, Robinhooders, no offense, but you can't buy this on Robinhood. If you want to buy this one, again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I don't tell you when to buy or sell. If you want to buy this one, you'd have to go to either TD Ameritrade or Fidelity. As I've told you on my channel before and on other videos in regards to the OTC, O to the T to the C, if you buy these on TD Ameritrade, they're going to charge you a commission, so I recommend going to Fidelity. When I bought my Planet 13, for those MJ people, I'm sure you know what Planet 13 is. If you don't, check my library. There's a couple videos about Planet 13, but when I bought it through TD Ameritrade, I had to pay a commission. When I bought it through Fidelity, I did not pay a commission. But back to GenTech Holdings. As you can see, this is the price of it. 0.0014. This is kind of the run-up that it's had here over the last 5 days. If you don't know what this one is, it's about GenTech Holdings Incorporated. GenTech Holdings Incorporated is a publicly traded company under the ticker symbol GTEH. The company launched a high-end coffee subscription service in early 2020 called Secret Javas. That sounds kind of sexy. Secret Javas. Anyway, and has recently closed on its acquisition of SINFIT Nutrition. Kind of interesting when I look into this, which offers a range of high-end functional foods. This just kind of goes over some other information. They post annual report featuring breakout growth in cash, sales activity, gross profits, and total assets. And New York, and as you can see, this is dated on the 1st. An emerging leader in the high-end premium coffee and functional foods marketplaces is pleased to announce the publication of its annual report for 12 months ended October 31, 2020, including strong growth in cash, inventory, and accounts receivable, revenues, and gross profits. And this just kind of goes over some more of the financials, the profits, booked revenues for the year topped $250,000 level and grew over 1,500% in the second half of the fiscal year. So it sounds like a lot of good things going on with this particular company. This is their actual website. You can see the Secret Javas. Cutie sitting here drinking. Hyper focused on holistic. Our goal is to bring quality food and beverage products to market, ethically sourced, professionally packaged, and offer in both subscription and ready-to-go product lines. Our subscription coffees are exciting and taste divine, and our functional food lines are incredibly popular and get rave reviews. So they have Secret Javas. Let's just click into that and take a look. Your premium coffee subscription. Find out how to subscribe. So kind of interesting. I'm not a coffee drinker myself. I drink tea, hot chocolate, but not too much on the Java coffee side. So kind of cool though. You can order it online, so they got they're going down the right path there, because everything's ordered online anymore. That's kind of a cool. I always thought those fields are pretty cool to look at, but here's the secret to secret Javas. We have curated some of the best coffee in the market to be able to offer you in the morning coffee you deserve. Alongside interesting new blends and roasting methods, you can also have that interesting afternoon pick-me-up. And so just some more of what they offer here. I want to go back to the Lion King here, the Hakuna Matata supply. Sorry, I had to throw that in there. Hakuna, that's pretty awesome. Valentine's gifts, there we go. Now right here, we have stash boxes. Yes, we're over 21. Here we are. This is the products that I was telling you about. Well, this is very interesting. Coffee, tea, flour, drink drops. Oh, there we go. There's my chocolate. Nepresco, capsules, herbal, oral, soft gels. Interesting. Kind of some interesting products. Grinders, pipes, roll papers. Kind of some interesting products. I kind of like their website. It looks like it's update to me. And free shipping on deliveries over $75. Hemp roast, Hakuna hemp roast. Yeah, this could have some potential. It's got a cool website. I like it. There's some information here that I found that I do not particularly like about this one, but that's not saying that it doesn't have a bright future with the these type of products right here. As you know everything, if you follow my channel, I talk about quite a few different MJ stocks, and with the new administration in, those can't go anywhere but up in my mind. Again, I'm not giving buying or trading advice. That's just stating a fact. I mean, do your own research. They're all going to go up at some point. I did find some information here for a GenTech that I didn't really particularly care for, but the stock may move very much during a day volatility, which is fine, and with periodic low trading volumes, the stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved to, we'll just call that nothing, between high and low, or 33 and 33% for the last week. The stock had a daily average volatility of 63.90. So, I mean, the risk on this one, it looks like it's very high. The company itself looks kind of interesting, but the stock in itself doesn't look too promising. There's some growth going on here. Stock is expected to rise 80.83% during the next 3 months, and 90% probability hold a price. So I mean, with the products, there could be some growth. I don't know if I would particularly purchase it now. And this is some more that I found. Historical index on U.S. Stock market. Should I trade GTEH stock today? And this just said the stock is a bad long-term 1-year investment. So not too much good looking towards the stock. I mean, the website, the products don't look too bad to me, but GenTech's SINFIT Nutrition kicks off 2021 with new relationships and multiple significant purchase orders as GenTech cancels reverse stock split. New York GenTech Holdings, an emergency leader in the high-end premium coffee and functional foods marketplaces. So this might be one to watch, might be something to put on a watch list and just kind of see what it does. I mean, it's got a ways before it's going to hit a penny, so I mean, you could throw 10, 20 bucks at it. I don't know. That'd just be something I might try. I mean, the line that it's in, the products that it's in, it could take off. I don't know. I don't drink coffee, but the just the line of products with this, I mean, this has all got to take off at some point, as long as they market it and get the word out and get the products going and pump that up. That's got to do something for the stock. This is the one I'm going to need to do some more research on, but recent orders of 720 cases of SINFIT products paid for by being delivered to Whey King Supplements. Yeah, so maybe this, I don't know, maybe it's just getting started. Based in the Philippines with 17 major locations across the country and 1,152 cases of SINFIT products paid for by being delivered to Good Life. Based in Costa Rica, serving Costa Rican fitness enthusiasts at 22 prime locations throughout the country. I mean, it's kind of an interesting one. I was asked to do a video on it. I'm kind of one to not say no, so that shows how easy I am, but not too much here on tip ranks, but if you ask me to do a video, I'll eventually get it out. I apologize for the lateness. She asked me 2 days ago, but I had some other stuff planned, other stuff in the process, but just couldn't really find too much good about the stock right now, but it's got potential, just by looking at a couple of the products, I think. So this will be one to put on the watch list. If you have this one out there, let's help out my subscriber and give some pointers. If you have this one, let me know in the comments and how many shares and what your cost basis is, any thoughts on this company, and see what other information we can dig up on this one. I'm going to put it on a watch list and maybe come back to it in a couple weeks, kind of see what the blue wave and whatever thing else is going to go in regards to the MJ. All of mine have been going up. I'm sure if you have many MJ stocks out there, they've all been going up. The ETFs that I've talked about are really going up. MJ and THCX and MSOS, and I've done videos on all of those. So that's about it for the Hakuna Matata supply and GTEH. We'll maybe, as they say in politics, circle back to this one at a later time. But that's it. That's all that I can find on this one tonight on GenTech Holdings Incorporated. If you could go ahead and hit that like button for me and hit it an extra couple times for our subscriber for throwing this one out there. And like I said, if you have any other requests, throw it out there and I'll see what I can do to put some information together and get a video going on it. Again, and if you also haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of when my next videos are uploaded. Again, this is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.